Hi boys and girls, now it's time for us to check our daily math review and for you to self-assess your work. So follow along and make sure you give yourself a check if you got the question correct, and if not, you can always go back and fix it and then you can give yourself a check. Alright, so in the first box it says fill in the missing numbers, and we have our hundreds chart, okay, down here to help us. Okay, so we have to fill in the number, and I see a missing number here and a missing number here. Remember, this is taken straight from our hundreds chart, and we see it right here. Okay, so we have 78. If it helps, you can find 78 on your hundreds chart to help you. Okay, so if we have 78, one number before, or one number less than 78 is 77. Okay, and one box to the right, one number, that means one more than 78 is 79. Alright, so let's continue. So we have 87 and then a missing number and then 89. So what number is one more than 87 but one less than 89? Right, that's 88. Okay, so now let's take a look here. So we have two missing numbers and then 99. So we need to write the two numbers that go before 99. So we can even have here our hundreds chart to help us. Okay, we can also think about, okay, we have 87, and if I move down one on our hundreds chart, we know that that is 10 more. So 10 more than 87 is, right, we have 97. And then if we have a missing box here, we know that that's one more than 97, which is 98. Alright, did you get these numbers? Okay, give yourself a check if you got it. Okay, in the middle box it says use the tens frame to represent the equation. Okay, so I have a full tens frame here, and it's 10 minus 6 equals 4. So I start with 10, which I already have here, minus 6. Minus means to take away. So how many do I need to take away? Right, 6. Okay, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Okay? Did you get that? Give yourself a check if you did. Alright, and now let's look at the next one. It says write an equation to show how many. Okay, so we have some tens and some ones. So how many tens do I have? Right, I have just this one long 10. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I fill in the equation, I have 10, which is this long, plus 5 more, which makes 15. Alright, so now it's time for the mental math, and I'm going to say some equations and you're going to follow along and do it as we go. Are you ready? Okay, number 1, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Very good. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. For number 2, 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. And for number 3, 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2. If I have 13 and I add 2 more, I get 15. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, make sure that you self-assess your work. Great job!